Hello friends, welcome to Magic of Smartphone. Come on, let's do something magical in PicsArt photo editing. Let's do some magical photo editing, showing you jhatpat very quickly how to do it. Okay, photo editing. I'll show you a new technique in PicsArt app. You have to download the PicsArt app. I'm going to gallery and selecting a picture. Okay, this is the pic I want to edit. I want to do some photo editing on this picture of mine. Okay, so this pic from the gallery, I am sharing it to PicsArt app. Okay, I am sharing it to PicsArt app. Yeah, here it is going. This is an advertisement. Close it. Okay, it is loaded in the PicsArt app. Here you can see here, this is the PicsArt app this picture has come into. I'm going directly into effects. In effects I get different recent effects that I've used, but I want to go to the blur effect. I want to show you just now the blur effect. Okay, I've tapped on the blur, and in blur also there are so many options. This is the full blur picture. This picture is completely blurred now. This is focal blur with certain center. The center point you can keep on changing wherever you want. I want on my face or on the body or on the jewelry. Wherever you want, accordingly you can focus the blur part. This is radial. Radial is in circular format. Again, the focus of the radial, you can do it on the jewelry. See here, this is little, I put it on the face, then that is little clear, and the other thing is in the radial format. The blur is in the radial format. Okay, I'll keep it in the radial. After any of these choices, just check out, choose any one. After you have chosen, like I want only the background to be blurred. I want, supposing, the jewelry to be highlighted, or my face to be highlighted, or my full body to be highlighted. So I want to remove the blur from there. Okay, so up you can see a rubber. I'm tapping, just tapping on the rubber. After I've tapped with my pointer finger, with my finger pointer, that is, I'm moving it on the part that I want to remove the blur on. Like on my body, full body, I don't want that blur part. I want my body to be clearly seen. See here, wherever I'm moving the finger, that part is becoming clear, and the rest part is still in the blur. I'm putting on my hand also, on both my hands, and again I'm moving my finger on the face as well as on the cap. Okay, so that blur has gone where I've rubbed it. I've rubbed the blur part there, and the rest is in the radial format. Because I have chosen radial, so you can choose any other. The background is in the blur, but the body of mine is clear. So I have highlighted my body. Same way you can highlight a car, you can highlight a jewelry piece or an object or something. Anything you can highlight. For highlight, this is specially very good. Try it, try on different objects, and do post back to me. Tell me what have you tried, the different options and combinations. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to press on the tick part up and save again. Don't forget to save it.